I'll be using the shoulder joint to further explain the concave-convex rule. So the movement I'll be performing is abduction and adduction. So to perform adduction and abduction, the convex surface is moving on the concave surface. The concave surface is kept stabilized, so the convex surface is the one moving on the concave surface. So this is the neutral position, whereas to abduct, the movement is performed in this manner. So this is the direction of the movement, it's going in this direction, but then the gliding movement of the convex surface on the concave surface is moving in this direction, it's moving this way, it's moving this way. So see the abduction movement, the abduction is going, whereas the gliding movement of the convex surface on the concave is moving in this direction. So this simply means that when a movement is performed and when the convex surface is moving on the concave surface, that the gliding movement of the convex on the concave is moving in an opposite direction to the movement performed in that joint. So this is for the movement of the convex on the concave. So guys, I'll be explaining the concave surface moving on the convex surface with the knee joint, and the movement I'll be performing in this joint is flexion and extension. So unlike before where I demonstrated using the shoulder joint, the convex was moving on the concave, but right now the concave will be moving on the convex. So this is the femur with the convex distal end, whereas this is my tibia with the concave proximal end. So movement to this direction is flexion, whereas movement to this direction is extension. So I want to perform flexion. So this femur will be kept stationary or stable for the tibia to move in flexion. So my tibia is moving, so the concave surface is moving on the convex, is moving to this direction to perform flexion. So here is the direction of the movement, whereas the direction of the gliding movement is also going towards this direction. Let me repeat it again. So this is the movement. You can see that the gliding movement is moving to this direction, and also the movement performed in this joint is moving to this direction. So let me do extension. So this is the extension of the knee joint. It is moving this way. So the extension is moving this way, and also the gliding movement is moving this way. This simply explains Kaltenbach's rule of the concave surface moving on the convex surface. It states that when the concave surface moves on the convex surface, the gliding movement is in the same direction with the movement performed in that joint. The gliding movement is in the same direction with the movement performed in that joint. Thank you very much.